Okay, so here's a quick video so that you can test your Ardour setup. You'll need Ardour functioning for our next class, so just make sure that you go through this carefully. Make sure that your installation of Ardour is working. So when you run Ardour, you're going to see the session setup window. Here you can access recent sessions or create a new session. You're going to create a new session. You can create a new session with an empty template. Decide where you want to save it. I can save it in my 3782 audio storytelling folder and give it a name. Test session. And open it. You're going to get the audio MIDI setup pane. Your audio system will be set for you. What you want to do here is carefully set your input and output devices. Actually, the input device isn't that important because we're not recording directly into Ardour, so you can select none. But if you do happen to have like a USB mic or an audio interface and you would like to record directly into Ardour, you can select that device. For instance, I have a Studio 1810C that my microphone is connected to, and I can choose that as an input device and record directly into Ardour. But for most of you, you're recording on your phones and dragging into Ardour, so you can set this to none. And the output device is important. You are going to want to set yours to external headphones. The list is going to be different on your computer based on what audio devices you have connected. So yours might say something like line out instead of external headphones or built-in output. Just select the setting that's going to connect to your headphones. And then also I have the option of connecting directly to my computer speakers, but for this class you definitely want to be working in headphones. I of course have the option of my audio interface as well as an output device that's connected to the speakers in my studio and a few others. I'm going to choose the Movavi sound grabber as my device so that the sound appears in this video. Hit start. And you should see a window something like this. If you don't, you might be in mixer mode. So just make sure to click here in the upper right-hand corner to go into editor mode. You're going to create a new track. By going to track, add track, you're going to create an audio track. You're going to create one audio track in a mono configuration. Add and close. And here's the audio track we've just created. Now take a file that you've recorded on your phone and already cleaned and normalized in Audacity, export it as a wave, and drag that into the track that you've just created. You can slide it to the left so it begins at the beginning, and you can zoom in by hitting the plus key and play it, hitting the play bar.
Hello, this is Niamh Conti, and I'm speaking to you from another dimension.
And as long as you can hear that playback, then you're ready for the work we're going to do in the next class.